Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. Now that we registered the name and image of our brand on the German Patent and Trademark Office as well as on Amazon, and want to make use of our advantages, we show you how to create Amazon Plus content. Go to your Advertising tab in your Amazon Seller Central and click on A Plus Content Manager. Here you can see already existing content and search for something using the ASIN or product names and create new content. The creation of A Plus content can be done in two ways. You either click here on the top right or duplicate and edit already existing content. Whichever option is better or faster is something that you have to decide for yourself, depending on the layout you like to use for your content. I'll click to create new content and show you the available modules. To be able to find it later again, we give it a certain name that could be, for example, the SKU of the product, which you can find in your inventory. In the creation of A Plus content, you can always think of new ideas. A fixed component would be the logo of your brand, with an aspect ratio of 600 to 180 pixels, and the description of your product. Here you can see the different modules. Some of them are based more on text and others on pictures. Depending on what makes more sense for you, you can use it to convince your target group about your product. You can also pick more than one module and then place them here in any order you wish. Once we're happy with the overall design, we can save it and apply the ASIN here. The checkmark shows you which ASIN was selected. Then click on Apply Content. Finally, click to review your content. If everything is all set, click to Submit for approval. As already mentioned, you can duplicate and adjust already existing A Plus content. To do this, click on one of the ads. Go to the Action tab and choose Duplicate. Give your duplicate a new name, then change its content as you wish and apply your ASIN. Finally, click to review and submit for approval as before. If you finished these steps, you should soon get your A Plus content added to your product instead of the usual product description. Now you made use of your brand registry and will hopefully keep your customers happy and convince them to buy. We wish you lots of success and feel free to subscribe and never miss a new video. Your eBakery team.